Today, you will learn how to summarize a PDF using AI free online in seconds. First, open Google and search for PDF Summarize. Then, click the first result from iLovePDF and open the AI Summarizer tool. Now, click the option to select or upload your PDF file. Find the PDF on your computer and upload it. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see the summary settings. First, choose the summary length. You can select short, medium, or long. Short is best when you only need a quick overview. Medium gives you a balanced summary. Long provides more detail and is better when you need a deeper understanding. Next, choose the AI processing mode. Standard AI is a good choice for everyday PDFs when you want a clear summary quickly. Advanced AI is better for technical or more complicated documents because it analyzes the content in greater depth. Keep in mind that iLovePDF currently indicates that Advanced AI requires AI credits. Once you've selected your options, start the summarization process and wait a few moments while the AI processes your PDF. When the summary is ready, you can read it directly on the page. You can also copy the summary or download it and save it for your notes, studies, meetings, or other work. And that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe.